So guys, you can see how the data is progressing. The pH volume graph is making its way up. You will see a sharp inflection point around when the acid or the base is being neutralized. This graph is going to go vertical in a few minutes, a couple of minutes, right? And you can see how the pH is climbing. The drop counter is doing its job of counting drops and telling you how many milliliters it is. So you don't have to climb up on a stool and read a burette. All right, so there you go. It's slowly rising. So each station is going to be about no more than 10 minutes. So you guys are going to have to work efficiently and cooperatively. There you go. See how the titration curve, the S curve is what we're looking for right now. It's just making the inflection. That's what we call the inflection point, when it goes up vertical like that. Yeah. There you go. So we're gonna wait for the S curve to flatten out again, and when it's almost symmetric, you can stop collection and you can close the burette, which is the burette in this case is your plastic syringe with the blue taps. Ms. Copper, what do you call those? The blue valves? The blue valves, yes.
I don't know.
Yeah. So please, again, we cannot remind you enough times to not touch the top one. Only the bottom one should be operated. And there you go. So, right, I think when it gets to about 7 milliliters, we're going to go ahead and stop it. So that looks fine. You have enough of a flat part in the beginning and enough of a flat part at the end. You're ready to now press stop. As soon as you press stop, you can close off the bottom tap.
Valve.
And please, again, only the bottom valve.
That's it.
Not the top one. Again, do not touch the top valve.
Right. And then when you're
That
done,
one's been
we have to clean
adjusted
up.
precisely for the drop rate. And then please make sure you clean up.
Okay, so we're going to take everything apart. Be careful because now this was in a solution. So take this out of the way first, right? You'll rinse this, do a distilled water rinse for the next users.
Right.
Then maybe use like a cloth or a piece of paper towel to pull this off so that you don't touch it with your hands.
Right.
I would do like a just tap water rinse first and then a distilled water rinse.
Yes.
And that's it. And then we're going to put this back into
And be very careful with the tip of the pH electrode, because it is a glass electrode. You don't want to break the glass.
Right. So we're going to put it back in its storage. Remember, you open this a little bit, and that way this will fit in. You don't have to force it, and then tighten it up.
Tighten up.
You can just maybe lean it right here.
Yep.
You know, just like here, just to keep it in one place.
So it's not upside down.
Right, right.
And
it
then,
needs to stay submerged. And
this,
then this we're just going to put this.
This beaker needs to be just, you can dump it in the sink.
Right.
And then you can wash this with distilled water.
Right.
And leave
Just
it for the next
loosely.
group.
Don't stuff that down. Just loosely cover it.
There you go.
Okay.
And then this
we're going to leave
yeah.
right here where we got it because it's small and we don't want it to get lost.
Exactly.
Okay.
And then this burette slash reagent reservoir, you're going to refill it.
Thank you.
If it's, I mean, you want to make sure that it's at least up to like 50.
Check your.
Yeah, make sure you check
the right stuff.
If it's the right solution that goes in there. Okay. On your paper, it tells you for each station what's the titrant and what's the analyte.
And then
the titrant is always the one that goes in your burette. The analyte is the one that sits here on the bottom, right? The one that's being analyzed. Right. Alrighty, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
This was a
Bye-bye.
fun
It's
teacher
been
work day for
real.
Ms. Koppel and I. We set up this lab. Okay, thanks. Bye.